Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So we need to transform this one into this one. Next, we need to multiply by cosine x on numerator and denominator. So cosine x multiplied by number 1 and tan x, and this one that is about cosine x minus sine x, because tan x that is about sine x over cosine x. So this one multiplied by this one, so we have sine x. Next, we put the negative on numerator and denominator. So this one we will have about sine x minus cosine x. Now we need to simplify this one over this one, and we have negative cosine x multiplied by this one. So we put b over 4 cone here, and now we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have negative number 3 with the square root of number 2 over number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.